What's up, y'all? So today I'm going to show you all how to apply a decal to your truck. So first, what you're going to want to do is you're going to take a wet rag or something like that, a damp rag. You're just going to wipe it clean, whatnot, make sure it's dried off. I already did that process, so now that I have that, you're going to want some masking tape. This is the kind of tape that I have right now. Sorry, I'm going a little fast. I got a cookout to go to. But then you're going to have your truck, your decal. And there's a certain requirement, like I think it's like 2 inches above, and you ought to be able to see it about 50 feet from in the daylight for DOT. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna align this with your masking tape. So where you want it to be. And after you do that, I have a little scrunchie right here. And what you're gonna wanna do is just make sure that this lettering adheres to the sheet. This is very important because if not, your decal could be messed up. So I'm just gonna do this. All right, y'all, that's it. It's done. That is it. Take off this tape and whatnot. I messed up a little bit weird, but whatever, it's fine. You'll have to do it. Whatever, it's fine. They can see it 3 years old.